Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a buy X get Y automatic discount code on Shopify. This is a powerful promotional tool that can help boost your sales by offering customers a free or discounted product when they purchase a specific item. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once there, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now, look at the left side panel of your dashboard. Here, you'll find various options for managing your store. Click on Discounts. This section is where you can create and manage all your promotional offers and discount codes. Once you're in the Discounts section, click on Create Discount. A menu will appear with different discount types. From these options, click on Buy X Get Y. This discount type is specifically designed to reward customers who purchase a certain quantity or amount with a free or discounted product. On the next screen, you'll see a field labeled Method. Make sure to select Automatic Discount. This means the discount will be applied automatically at checkout without requiring customers to enter a code, making the shopping experience seamless and encouraging more purchases. Next, give your discount a title. For example, you could name it something like Double. This title is what you and your team will see in the backend, so choose something descriptive that helps you identify the promotion easily. Now, let's configure what the customer needs to buy. Under Customer Buys, you have two choices: minimum quantity of items or minimum purchase amount. For this tutorial, let's select minimum quantity of items. Then, in the quantity field, input 1. This means the customer needs to buy at least one item to qualify for the promotion. Click on Browse to select which product triggers the discount. For this example, let's add a t-shirt. This is the product customers must purchase to unlock the offer. Next, scroll down to the Customer Gets section. Here, input a quantity like 1, then click Browse again and select the product that customers will receive as part of the promotion. This could be another t-shirt, an accessory, or any other product from your store. Under At a Discount Value, you'll need to choose how the discount is applied. You have three options: percentage, amount of each, or free. If you want to give away the product completely free, select free. Otherwise, choose percentage or amount of each depending on your promotion strategy. If you want to limit how many times this offer can be used in a single order, you can set a maximum number of uses per order. This prevents customers from adding excessive quantities to exploit the promotion. Now, let's determine who can use this discount. Under Eligibility, choose between all customers, specific customer segments, or specific customers. For a broad promotion, select All Customers. If you want to target a particular group, choose one of the other options. Next, adjust the calendar to add a start date for when the promotion becomes active. Then, click on Set End Date and input an end date. If you want the promotion to run for a limited time, this creates urgency and can drive faster purchasing decisions. Once you've configured all these settings, click Save. Your Buy X Get Y automatic discount is now active and will automatically apply at checkout when customers meet the conditions you've set, and that's it. You've successfully created an automatic discount that rewards customers for their purchases. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.